Crash course on cultural anthropology. Discover the diversity of human cultures and societies and the study of cultural anthropology. Of course, I'd be happy to provide a crash course on cultural anthropology. Cultural anthropology is the study of human cultures and societies, exploring the diversity of social structures, beliefs, practices, and expressions across the world's different communities. Anthropologists seek to understand how people create and maintain their cultures, as well as how these cultures shape individuals' experiences and perceptions. This field is multidisciplinary, drawing on insights from history, sociology, psychology, and other disciplines to shed light on the complex dynamics of human social life. To excite readers about cultural anthropology, here are a few examples of fascinating research in this field. Linguistic anthropology. How do languages shape our understanding of the world? Linguistic anthropologists study the relationship between language and culture, exploring how language is used to convey social norms, express identity, and construct meaning. For example, researchers have examined the ways in which the structure of different languages can shape speakers' perceptions of space, time, and causality. Medical anthropology. How do people in different cultures understand and manage health and illness? Medical anthropologists examine the social and cultural factors that influence health outcomes, from the impact of environmental toxins to the role of cultural beliefs and practices in shaping treatment-seeking behaviors. For example, researchers have investigated the use of traditional healing practices in communities around the world, highlighting the importance of incorporating local knowledge into healthcare interventions. Economic anthropology. How do people in different societies exchange goods and services? Economic anthropologists study the diverse ways in which people organize and engage in economic activities, from gift-giving to market exchange. For example, researchers have explored the role of reciprocity and obligation in gift-giving practices, demonstrating how these practices serve as mechanisms for maintaining social relationships and building community. Now, let's move on to the top 12 popular diversity of human cultures and societies. 1. The Akan of Ghana. The Akan people are known for their rich culture and traditions, including their elaborate funerary rites and their system of matrilineal descent. 2. The Maasai of Kenya and Tanzania. The Maasai are a semi-nomadic pastoralist community who have maintained their traditional way of life despite pressure from modernization and land encroachment. 3. The Inuit of the Arctic. The Inuit have a unique cultural heritage shaped by their environment, including their traditional practices of hunting, fishing, and storytelling. 4. The Yanomami of Brazil and Venezuela. The Yanomami are a remote indigenous community living in the Amazon rainforest, with a complex social organization based on kinship ties and exchange relationships. 5. The Roma of Europe. The Roma, also known as Gypsies, are a widely dispersed group with a distinct culture and history of discrimination. 6. The Hopi of the American Southwest. The Hopi are known for their intricate basket weaving and their reverence for the natural world. 7. The Sami of Scandinavia and Russia. The Sami are an indigenous people living in the northernmost parts of Europe, with a rich tradition of reindeer herding and storytelling. 8. The Hadza of Tanzania. The Hadza are one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer communities in Africa, with a unique language and culture that has been studied by anthropologists for decades. 9. The Batak of Malaysia. The Batak are a small indigenous community living in the rainforests of Malaysia, with a complex system of sharing and reciprocity that has been the subject of much anthropological research. 10. The Balinese of Indonesia. The Balinese are known for their elaborate religious ceremonies, intricate dance performances, and vibrant artistic traditions. 11. The Maya of Central America. The Maya have a long and complex history, with a rich cultural heritage that includes the Maya of Central America. The Maya have a long and complex history, with a rich cultural heritage that includes architecture, art, religion, and agriculture. Today, there are still many Maya communities in Guatemala, Belize, and other parts of Central America, each with their own unique traditions and practices. 12. The Maori of New Zealand. The Maori are the indigenous people of New Zealand, with a rich culture and history that includes storytelling, carving, and tattooing. Today, many Maori are working to revitalize their language and traditions, which were suppressed for many years under colonial rule. In summary, cultural anthropology is the study of human cultures and societies, exploring the diversity of social structures, beliefs, practices, and expressions across the world's different communities. This field is multidisciplinary, drawing on insights from history, sociology, psychology, and other disciplines to shed light on the complex dynamics of human social life. From linguistic anthropology to economic anthropology to medical anthropology, there are many subfields within cultural anthropology that explore different aspects of human culture and social organization. By studying the diverse cultures and societies of the world, anthropologists can gain a deeper understanding of the human experience and help promote cross-cultural understanding and cooperation. And now, as promised, here is a poem about cultural anthropology. Cultural anthropology, the study of human societies. From the Inuit of the Arctic to the Maasai of the trees. It explores our diverse traditions and practices. The ways we organize ourselves, our beliefs and our languages. Linguistic anthropologists investigate how we speak. How language shapes our worldview, the meanings that we seek. Medical anthropologists examine health and illness. The social and cultural factors that influence wellness. Economic anthropologists explore our ways of exchange. From gift-giving to market trade, how we manage our range. We learn from the Roma, the Balinese, and the Hadza. And many other cultures, each with their own plaza. From the Hopi to the Yanomami, the Maya to the Sami. Each with a unique story, a distinct cultural army. We study their history, their art, and their belief. To gain a deeper understanding of the human motif. Cultural anthropology, a window into our world. A way to bridge divides, to unite and unfurl. Through learning about others, we can learn about ourselves. And create a more compassionate world, where diversity excels. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.